Turkey? This player seems to be getting warmed up. A home run would make this place go crazy. A hard-earned four-bagger. Excitement is growing. Trying to make it a five-bagger. Rolled a five-bagger. Time to wear the game pants. Here we are, trying to make it a sixer. Time to check the blood pressure. This could end up in a seven-bagger. Horrible. Leave to pick up. Clean up. Got a strike. The earlier frame was nice and clean. The goal for this throw can only be a Barney Rubble. The second pin is looming at the other end of the lane. Clean up. So close. Trying to convert pin 5. Cleaned up on that one well. Strike. The machine has started. Here's a shot for a ham bone. Oh my gosh. Looking forward to this throw. A brat or not, we'll see. Good. Time to wear the game pants. I really hope we'll see a six-pack. Delicious. Time to wear the game pants. Trying to make it a seven-bagger. Going strong with a seven-bagger.
Oh, man.
It's getting hot in here. I wouldn't be surprised to see an eight-bagger. This calls for concentration. Smelly. Lee, waiting at the deck. Snazzy. Cleared that one. So close. And now it's the time to go for a pickup. Spare.
Excuse me.
Trying to pick up pin 6. Clean up. Oh, so close. Almost. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Pickup. Going strong. A home run or a mental breakdown. Let's watch. The sun doesn't always shine. Pins 1, 2, and 4 to convert. Got the head pin and the fourth pin. On. Good. Looking forward to this throw. I wouldn't bet my life on a four-bagger. So close. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Cleared that one. Looking for a three-bagger. Strike has landed. Waiting to see yet another great throw. Looking for a four-bagger. The points are soaring, but can this continue? This player is going for a brat. Gorgeous. This is an important roll. Everyone wants to see a sixer. Trying to smack down pins 1, 2, and 4. Gorgeous. Spare. Nice. Top to bottom, a beautiful, beautiful performance. So close. Pin 6 to clean up. Pickup. Turkey would be more than welcome. Wow. It's been strong for a few frames for this player. Here's a serious attempt for a home run. The streak is on. A brat is the goal for this throw. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Cleaned up on that one well. Trying to smack down the 4th pin and the 10th pin. Strike! Trying to start a streak, a double, or a mental breakdown. Let's see. Whoa! I hope the streak goes on. One more strike to a 3-bagger. Snazzy strike. We are at it now. We'll see. A home run. Look at that! Triple points at stake. I'm all in for a 5-bagger. Uh-oh. No luck with that one. The 7th pin, waiting at the deck. Snazzy cleanup. Triple points at stake. I wouldn't bet my life on a 4-bagger. Yes! We are at it now. Everyone wants to see a brat continuing with a strike. The crowd is getting louder. This could end up in a 6-pack. So close. The sun doesn't always shine. Pin 7 must be dealt with now. Cleaned up on that one. Nice to see this happen every now and then.